Welcome to mass spectrophotometer. After completion of this topic, you are able to know introduction, principle, operation, and application of mass spectroscopy. We can see the next slide. Introduction. Mass spectrophoid is a analytical technique that measures the mass to charge ratio of charged particles. It is most generally used to find the composition of physical sample by generating a mass spectrum which represents the mass of sample components. This is measured by mass spectrophotometer. We can see the next slide principle. The sample to be analyzed is first bombarded with an electron beam to produce ionic fragments of the original molecule. These ions are accelerated by passing through them in an electric field, and they are sorted out by according to their mass to charge ratio by passing them by magnetic. A record of the number of different kinds of ions is called mass spectrum. By varying accelerating voltage, ions from the other mass species may be collected. Ions currents measured in such a cases would be proportional to the amount of given mass species present. Advantages of mass spectrophotometer. Well established fragment libraries can be used for insoluble samples, can be interfaced with gas chromatograph, can be used for high mass components, handles high flow rates, high accuracy, inexpensive, fast scanning. We can draw the black diagram of mass spectrophotometer. First black, which indicates sample. The sample is passed to the next black, ion source. Next black, mass analyzer. Then detector. The detector output is given to the data analyzer. We can see the description of the black diagram. Mass spectrum mainly consists of three parts. First one, an ion source. Second one, a mass analyzer. Third one, detector system. We can see the stages in mass spectrophotometer. First of all, production of ions from sample. Production of ions from a sample. Separation of ions with different masses. Detection of the number of ions of each mass produced. Collection of data to generate the mass spectrum. Principle of mass spectrophotometer. The sample is to be analyzed, first bombarded with electron beam to produce ionic fragments of the original molecule. These ions accelerated by passing through them in an electric field. They are sorted out by according to their mass to charge ratio by passing through them by magnetic field. A record of the number of different kinds of ions is called mass spectrum. By varying accelerating voltage, Ions from the other mass species may be collected. Ions currents measured in such a cases would be proportional to the amount of given mass species present. The next slide, procedure. Converts the substance into gaseous state by chemical means. That means, first of all, you take the sample is converted into gaseous state by chemical means. It is introduced into highly evacuated spectrometer tube. So this gaseous state of the sample is passing to the highly evacuated spectrometer tube. It is ionized by means of electron beam. So this gaseous state of the sample is converted into the ions by chemical means and passing through it is bombarding with the electron beam. These positive ions are deflected and focused by means of suitable magnetic and electric fields. For a given accelerating voltage area, positive ions of specific mass pass through a slit. They reach the collector plate. The ion current produced or amplified and measured using an electrometer tube. The principle of operation. So here we can see in the figure, first the A, which indicates the sample is the sample to be analyzed. It converted to gaseous state. The gaseous state of the sample is bombarded with electron beam by using bombarding with the electron beam. The figure B shows here. Then it is passing into the electric accelerating field, electric field, where electric plates are there, accelerating voltage is there. So this accelerating voltage causes the ions are accelerating and that gets kinetic energy, and then it is passing into the magnetic field. The magnetic field as shown in the figure, the magnetic field paths D, where lower, that means lighter weight masses deflect higher path, whereas high mass of sample ions are deflected shorter deflection. These masses collected by using electrometer tube, that is E. So the electrometer tube which converts these ions into the current is amplified by using amplifier, then it is given to the recorder. The recorder which gives the mass spectrum. The mass spectrum, each peak gives the area under the each peak, which gives the different species or ions present in the sample can be analyzed by using mass spectrum. The mass spectrometer is working on the principle of mass to charge ratio. You can see the operation. The figure shows the operation of the mass spectrometer. Molecules in the gas sample A to be analyzed are bombarded with electron beam. It produces ions B. They are accelerated in vacuum into a magnetic field C. It deflects them into the circular path D. The deflection for light ions is greater than that of AV ions. The ion stream separated into beams of different molecular weight to pass through a collector electrode E. The accelerating voltage on the ion source is gradually reduced. Mass spectrophotometer diagram. First of all, we can see here the gas to be analyzed is taken through the gas inlet system. Here it is having a storage chamber. The pressure of the gas can be monitored and controlled by using a manometer. So the gas is analyzed passing through into the ion source, where these gases are bombarding with the electron field, electron beam, which produce the ions. These ions are passing into the electrostatic field, where it gets the kinetic energy, where the region of accelerating voltage, accelerating region we can see here in the figure. So these accelerating ions are passing on to the prism magnetic field. The magnetic prism may be available at the degree of 60 degree deflection, 90 degree deflection, 120 degree deflection, etc. So when it's passing through this magnetic field, it deflected according to the mass to charge ratios. That means heavy ions having a shorter deflection, lighter ions having more deflection or greater deflection. So according to their mass charge ratios, the deflection of the ions or different spices can be collected across the electrometer tube. The electrometer tube collector electrode meter tube, which converts these ions into the current. The current is given to the DC amplifier. The DC amplifier amplifies this weak signal into high signal that can be recorded on the mass spectrograph. The mass spectrograph, the peak values which gives the different masses which are present in the sample can be separated and identified by using mass spectrophotometer. A typical mass spectrophotometer you can see in the figure. So electron beam, the sample is passing and bombarding with electron beam that would produce the ions. You can see the heating device to apply the sample. Then it is passing through the inlet system where we can see the ion accelerating electric field. When it is accelerating with the electric field of high voltage from 0 volts to 1000 volts, then the ions gets kinetic energy. When it is passing through this magnetic field, the magnetic field causes deflection of the different mass to charge ratios are reaching to the detector. The detector which converts this mass charge ratio into the electric current, the current signal, the current current signal is given to the DC amplifier to amplify the signal and given to the recorder. Recorder record this different masses uh, present in the sample by using a mass spectrogram. So by that way we can identify the different masses present in the sample can be analyzed by using a principle of mass to charge ratios by using a mass spectrometer. We can see the description of this mass spectrometer. It consists of storage chamber, gas inlet, manometer, molecular leak, and electron beam. Accelerating region, magnetic field, analyzed tube, resolving slit, collector, DC amplifier, oscillograph. Heated tungsten filament produces an electron beam. It passes between plates A and B. A difference in electrical potential between A and B pulls out ions from the beam. They pass through the slit in B into the region B and C. The potential difference between B and C can be adjusted from 0 volts to several thousand volts. The ions beams enter into the trapezoidal shaped magnetic poles. It deflects through an angle of 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree deflections. Ion beams successive greater mass may pass through the slit. The ions falls on a collector electrode. They produce minute electric current. They can be amplified and measured. Amplitude indicates number of ions in each beam can be measured. Derivation of M/E ratio. When ions pass through an accelerating electric field, ions get kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is given by half ma square, which is equivalent to the electron volts energy. This is the equation 1 where m is equal to mass of the ion, E is the charge of the ions, V is the velocity of the ion, capital V is the accelerating voltage applied to the electric field. Half ma square is the kinetic energy of the ions leaving the electric field. The equation 1 can be written as the V is equal to 2E capital V by M under root. When ions enter into the magnetic field, which is at the right angles to the direction of when the ions enter into the magnetic field, which is the right angles to the direction of motion. The ions would be diverted into the circular orbits, evacuating centrifugal and centrifugal forces. Half mv square. The centrifugal force is mv square by r, which is equivalent to the centrifugal forces. The equating by these two forces, centrifugal and centrifugal forces, where h is the magnetic field intensity, r is the radius of curvature. H is the magnetic h is the Planck's constant. The equation 3 became as radius of curvature r equivalent to mv by eh. That is equation 4. Substituting the equation 1, equation 4, we'll get the radius of curvature r equivalent to under root 2 EV by m into m by h, that is equation 4. By simplifying the above equation, we will get the following equation m by e, that is March to charge ratio, which is equivalent to the h square r square by 2e. Except to m and v, all the parameters are constant. Here we can see except mass and applied voltage, all are constant. By varying applied voltage V, it is possible to cause an ion of any mass to follow the path, which may be coincide with an arc of analyzed tube in the magnetic field. We can see a small quiz. Mass to charge ratio in mass spectrometer depends on A, radius, or B, magnetic field strength, accelerating voltage, V, D, none. So the mass to charge ratio in the mass spectrometer depend on accelerating voltage V. That is C is the correct answer. You can see the application of mass spectrophotometer to identify the unknown components by the mass of the components, molecules or their fragments. Determining the isotopic composition of the elements in a component. Determining the structure of a component by observing its fragmentation. Application. Studying the fundamentals of gas phase in ion chemistry. Determining the other important physical, chemical and biological properties of the components with a variety of other approaches. In inorganic analysis, in trace analysis in inorganic chemistry, upper atmosphere can be analyzed by rocket-borne mass spectrometry. Analysis is carried out in the surface of Mars. Direct control of industrial process carried by the process monitor mass spectrometer. Analysis of gas flow in patient breathing, biochemical analysis in medicines and other fields, detection and measuring of concentration of pollutants in air and water, in refineries for the trace elements investigations and analysis of lubricating oils. A small size, direct determination of the molecular weights, placement of functional groups in a certain area of molecules, interaction and investigation of reaction mechanism. For location of individual atoms using atom probe. In pharma sites for microdosing studies for alternative animal experimentation. In space missions to measure the composition of plasma. They were taken to Mars by Viking program. In hospitals for respiratory gas analysis. Advantages: high sensitivity, suitable for data storage and library retrieval, capable in handling in complex mixtures. Impurities of masses are analyzed but do not interfere with the result. Disadvantages of mass spectrometer: quantitative analysis not possible. Thank you. Thank you all.